How would you like to get paid to listen to music? In this short video, I'll walk you through step by step. Starting with number 1, go to Pixabay.com and head to the Music tab. You'll notice you can listen and download these songs from the website, but we're interested in showing you a trick to earn over and over again. Got a smartphone or laptop? Well, you're halfway there. Click the background music option on the left and notice the wide selection of genres. Each one of these can make you approximately an easy $5, and that's for each song. So let's dive in now. As an example, let's check out vlog music. Take the time to pick a good tune and download it to your computer. Pick out a handful more and also download them to your computer. Remember to spend a little time figuring out which songs sound best. After all, if you don't like the song, no one else will. Getting excited? We're ready for the next step. Now you head over to the upload-forever.com. This will be the site where you'll be sharing your music files. Listen, if you're worried about people doing the same thing and competing with everyone else and music others are sharing, no worries. We won't be getting traffic from the same source as everyone, so that is a plus. We'll explain in a minute, but reading what is on the homepage should have you jumping out of your seat, and it'll take you less than a minute to sign up. The homepage says, upload your files safely. It says you can withdraw payments from various payment methods. So how does it all work? Someone downloads your song from the website, ads will be shown and they'll have a choice, skip the ad or watch it. This platform is doing nothing more than sharing ad revenue with you. Yes, you. What a deal, right? What if we show you how to multiply your earnings? Yes, multiply. But first, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification because we're going to be dropping some hot money-making videos from here on out. Okay, you want to double down on this. Waste no time and click the Make Money button on the top. Notice on this page the tier section. According to the tier is how much you'll make, so it could be $7, $4, or even $3. Scroll down further to find out the different payment methods. Scroll up a little bit and I'll tell you other ways you can profit from this site. The best one in our opinion is to sell the files. It allows you to call the play with payment. And don't forget the option of referrals will also allow you to make extra money. Want more details on the process? We recommend a YouTube video called Earn $900 Just by Listening to Music. The name of the YouTube channel is appropriately called Everyday Income. Well, that's it for this short video. Want to learn how to earn uploading movie clips to YouTube? Watch our detailed video, How to Upload Movie Clips on YouTube without copyright. Just click on the recommended video at the end of the screen. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video.